Hello, everybody. Good morning, good morning, good morning. How are you? It is day 3, March 3rd, and this is, so you say it's your birthday. I say it's my birthday too. It's a little thing me and Sabrina came up with to exchange presents from the 1st of March till the 17th of March. It will end on her birthday. It begins on the 1st of March instead of beginning on the 7th. When it's my birthday, we decided to start from the 1st. So this is day 3. And it's a box. What's in it? I don't know. Alright, let's see. It's white. It's a white box. Oh. And you can see through it, and there's something inside of it. So let's see how I get in the box. Oh. I think I get in the box right here. Well, maybe not. Okay, Sabrina, how do you get in the... Oh, there we go. I think. How do I get in the box? And, oh, it's taped. I'm like, why is this so challenging to me? Oh my god. Yeah. Good. I think I can get in the box now, guys. I ripped the box. Oh, okay. Maybe, I don't know. I hope the box wasn't anything too important because I think I ripped the box. The box is a Halloween box. Alrighty. Let's see. I'm trying to be gentle as possible. Oh, look at it. It's a little gnome. I can paint him and call him my own. He's so cute. These didn't come in by me. I'm getting a cold. Or I should probably say I probably got a cold. And then we have a mug. I can tell it's a mug. Oh, it's the mug I couldn't find. That's cool. Have yourself a merry little Christmas. So I told Spirit, I don't care if gifts from Halloween, Christmas, whatever. It's the fun of it. So I got a Christmas mug and a Valentine's gnome. So cool. Have yourself a merry little Christmas and a happy Valentine's Day. Oh, I can't wait to paint him. See, he'll probably stay out all year long. This I will pack till next Christmas. Thank you so much. He's so cute. I can't wait to paint him. Awesome. So thank you, Sabrina. I love my gifts. Here, I'll put my mug down so you guys can see what he looks like. And put my little Nomi down. There we go. Them are cool gifts, guys. Like I said, we're just doing like $1 or $2 items. And I went jumping between General Dollar and Dollar Tree, and I told Sabrina to do what she wants to do. Because she gets those cool boxes from Michael's. $5 boxes. I didn't care if anything came from out of there. I didn't, It's the thought. It's the fun of opening a present every day until, well, I get to go open presents. Sabrina gets to open presents from the beginning to her birthday. I get to open present from the beginning to the end of my birthday and to her birthday. So 17 little presents. Well, it's more than 17 because most of the time we give more than one present at a time. Well, either way, it's fun. I'm loving it. I mean, guys, did you see yesterday's video in the glasses? It's like, oh my god. I'm still thinking that she bought me glasses. And I don't even know if she did that purposely because I broke my glasses or she just saw them. She's like, hey, Tina can use these. I don't know, but I haven't asked her. I just think it's hilarious because I broke my glasses shopping. So she bought me on-the-go glasses. I just think it's hilarious. And the thing is I usually carry an extra pair in my purse, and I didn't have them that day. So that was just funny. All right, guys. I want to thank you guys for watching. As always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now, everybody, and have a good day.